one for only $199 a month. Just $199. Only at your Northeast Ohio Ford dealer.
It's been a cloudy Saturday here in the Mahoning and Shenango valleys, and what that's done is it's kind of kept the temperatures down a little bit, not seeing a lot of sunshine today after a cold front moved through early today, and that's not exactly a lot of what we want to hear, especially now that we're a few days officially into the spring season. Still seeing a lot of clouds. In fact, some of these mid-level clouds are even thickening up off to the west, so we're going to be mostly cloudy even into this evening and part of the first part of the day tomorrow. And that, along with that cold front that moved through, will really help keep us cool and much below what we normally see for this time of year. And we're approaching freezing already. We've been very steady today. Temperatures have been in the upper 30s and only lost a couple of degrees over the past couple of hours. Wind chill, not a big deal right now, 30 degrees. The winds out of the west, not very strong, but humidity's at 67% and the pressure is steady right now. Today's high of 49 degrees occurred very early in the morning, 3:58 a.m. Average high 48, so technically we're almost on target, but the daytime we spent mostly in the 30s. Today's low 34, that's happening right now. 81 was the record just 2 years ago. A lot of us remember how warm that March was compared to this March, which has been very cold. In fact, right now we are sitting at the second coldest March on record, a drastic difference in only 2 years. Across the state of Ohio and Pennsylvania, very warm down south. Columbus and Zanesville 57, Cincinnati 56, 56 in Dayton, even in Pennsylvania 57 over at State College. But that has all changed, especially now that that front is well out of our reach. 40s across the southern portions, 35 over in Mansfield, 34 in Toledo, 37 over in Cleveland. So we're starting to see those temperatures even out here in Ohio and Pennsylvania. Very cold Arctic air still up in Minnesota, 16 in Minneapolis, but that front's dividing the country right now. Beautifully warm temperatures down in Texas, 73 in San Antonio and 72 over in Orlando. So this is the front that passed through today, reinforcing a lot of that cold air that's going to stick around for the next couple of days or so. But the good news is we do have high pressure that's going to be slowly building throughout the day tomorrow and especially into the first part of Monday. And what that means is we'll see some sunshine tomorrow afternoon filtering through the clouds and even more so on Monday. But the next thing we were watching is a low pressure system off to the west. And what that will do is possibly bring us a few snow showers, although light, once we get to the day on Tuesday. But we're not talking snow tonight. We're just talking about the cold. 22 degrees. It'll be a little bit on the breezy side, mostly cloudy. 30 tomorrow, a mix of clouds and sun, but it's going to be a very cool day for this time of year. The average high is 48, so we're going to be 18 degrees below that tomorrow, and it's not going to recover much for the first part of next week. 33 on Monday, partly cloudy, should be a beautiful day sky-wise. On Tuesday, we will see a chance of snow showers. Accumulations are going to be light. We're talking maybe half an inch around there. It's not going to be a major snow event, but then we warm up finally Friday, 54 degrees, so we'll be back at spring, and long-range models are showing we might even out after that, but we'll see. But it's looking cold for the next few days.
Hopefully it'll be the last remnants of winter
we
weather.
Hope so. I'm tired of it.
Yes, thanks, Mike. Coming up next, a Texas girl is recuperating today after her family